Okay, hey YouTube. I have I have a problem here, and I was wondering if you could help me. I have a Pontiac Grand Am 2000 with a random multiple misfire problem. So what happened is I went to replace all the spark plugs because they were getting old, and I had a problem with the car running, idling at really high RPMs and running like that. So I changed out the throttle control, and I know you have to floor it to do that, but I went to change the spark plugs too. And the spark plug cable was all dry rotted when I went to do that, and when I pulled it, I ripped it off. So I had to get new cables. I put them on, and then I was driving it after I put the throttle control in, and uh, I ran it out of gas accidentally, and now it's only running on like 4 or 5 cylinders, and it's running really bad. So I was wondering if you guys could help me. So I'll start it up for you guys here. I'm about to run out of memory though, so I'm going to need to delete some stuff right about now. Or maybe not. Okay, never mind. Here you go. I'll start it up for you guys so you guys can hear it. Ready? See, if you can hear from the exhaust pipe, it's only running on like 5 cylinders. So yeah, see if you can help me with that. I gotta go.